Picture a world plunged into darkness. A world without the flickering screens of our gadgets, the hum of our home appliances, or the comforting glow of our lights. This is not a dystopian novel or a Hollywood blockbuster. This is the reality we face if our power grids fail. The lifeblood of our digital age, power grids are as essential as they are vulnerable. Recent reports have highlighted the growing threats to these critical infrastructures. In a shocking revelation by Business Insider, there's been a 72% increase in attacks on the US electrical grids in the past year. These assaults, believed to be orchestrated by right-wing extremists, have targeted electrical substations, causing widespread power outages and leaving thousands of Americans in darkness. This escalation in attacks is not a random occurrence, but a calculated strategy rooted in neo-Nazi accelerationism. This disturbing ideology aims to create chaos and hasten societal collapse. Despite repeated warnings from the Department of Homeland Security, our power grids remain woefully exposed, lacking sufficient security measures such as video surveillance. The vulnerability of power grids is not limited to physical attacks. Our grids also face significant challenges in adapting to new technologies. As reported by Vice News, the installation of fast chargers for electric vehicles, or DCFCs, presents a significant hurdle. These chargers demand a vast amount of energy, equivalent to 43 central air units or 5,000 MacBook Airs. This massive energy demand means that hooking up chargers directly to the grid might be necessary, adding further strain to our already burdened power systems. Even without these added pressures, some power grids are already on the brink of failure. In Texas, for instance, the state's electric grid, managed by ERCOT, is showing signs of instability. As reported by Forbes, despite claims by Texas Governor Greg Abbott that the grid is better than ever, there have been warnings of potential capacity shortages. This is the same grid that failed during a winter storm earlier this year, leaving millions without power. In conclusion, power grids, the arteries of our modern world, are under threat. From physical attacks to the demands of new technologies, and from aging infrastructure to capacity crunches, our power grids are facing challenges from multiple fronts. It's clear that securing and adapting our power grids to meet these challenges is not just a matter of convenience, but of national security. In the face of darkness, let there be light, let there be power. But here's the thing, we're not powerless. Just as we've innovated to create the power grids that fuel our world today, we can innovate to protect and adapt them for our future. We can make a difference. We can stay informed and prepared. And you, dear viewer, can help too. By staying informed about the state of our power grids, we can all contribute to their protection and improvement. Subscribe to Fun Way to Science for more enlightening videos like this one. Stay powered up and keep the power flowing. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, quite literally. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join us in our journey to a brighter, more powered up future. Together, we can light up the world.